Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you a super fun DIY idea I like to call date night in a box. The first thing that you need is a nice movie. You definitely want to get something interesting, probably on the scary side. I recommend if you want to get a few cuddles. Speaking of cuddles, you want to get a nice soft fleece blanket. You also need materials to decorate your box. So I have roses here. I have cardstock paper, rose petals, deco mesh, tulle, just all kinds of things. Speaking of the box, you need a priority mail shipping box. I recommend a size medium or large, and we're just going to transform that. You need a snack. I recommend going with the classic popcorn in whatever flavor the two of you prefer. 2 wine glasses and a drink of your choice. So, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is take your blue cardstock paper, and what we're going to do with that is line it from this flap here all the way across the bottom of your box. So I'll go ahead and do that now. So I've got the first flap done. You kind of get an idea of how it looks. So I'm going to keep going and go ahead and do all the way across. So you see that this inside part is completely done from one flap to the other. Now I'm going to go ahead and take some lavender and finish it out. So now we are completely finished with the inside of the box. You see we have the nice color coordination going on here. You can use whatever color scheme you would like, but this is what we're going to go with. And so we're going to move to the next step. So we're going to take some of this deco mesh, roll it up, and you're going to do this for 2 more pieces, so a total of 3. Should look like that, or something like that when you're done. So we've got that glued down nice, and we're just going to go ahead and add a couple flowers to it. So now we've got that all nice and secure. We're going to go ahead and do it to the opposite side as well, and then we'll move on to the next step. So both sides are complete, nice and pretty. The next thing that we're going to do is take a couple of roses and just put them right here in the front corners of the box. Now to think of a cute phrase for the flaps, the lavender flaps. I think I'm going to put be my and date. So it's kind of like you're asking them out. Now we're all done with that part. It just says be my date there. Now we get to add our goodies in. First thing you want to do is make sure you put the fleece in there. Make sure it's nice and soft and cozy. We're going to add some tulle just for visual effects. Go ahead and add your popcorn in there. Put your movie in. Make sure it's a good movie. I recommend a scary one for lots of cuddles. The drink of your choice. And don't forget the glasses. As a final finishing touch, we're going to sprinkle some rose petals in here just for a romantic effect. And that completes our date night in a box DIY. When you show up to your sweetheart's place with this beauty, there's no way they could say no to being your date. I hope that you guys enjoy your date night. Bye!